What if you could make money while you sleep, using only AI tools? Sounds like a dream? It's not. Here are 5 real tools that automate your income. Tool number 1, Pictory.ai. Turn any blog post or script into a professional video. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or client projects. No editing skills needed. How to use it? Take a blog or your own script, upload it to Pictory, and choose a video style. Sell finished videos to clients on Fiverr or Upwork. Tool number 2, ChatGPT plus Canva. Write social media captions, add copy, or product descriptions with ChatGPT. Design them in Canva. Sell as digital templates. You can sell Instagram packs, Facebook post templates, or even ebooks, all created in minutes. Tool number 3, Tidio AI Chatbot. Add it to your website or store, and it will answer customer questions 24/7. That means more sales while you sleep. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Organize your tasks, write content, plan projects, all with AI help. Great for freelancers, solopreneurs, and digital creators. Tool number 5, Durable.co, the AI website builder. It creates a ready-made website for your business in under a minute. Sell websites to small business owners. Bonus: use 2 to 3 of these tools together for even more income. Example: use ChatGPT to write, Canva to design, Pictory to make video. Want more AI tools and income ideas like these? Subscribe now and comment which tool you'll try first.